Format Painter is a tool that enables you to copy multiple formatting from selected text to another range of text. This can save one from manually repeating the formatting process. In this video, we will use the Format Painter to copy existing formatting to other text in a Word 2016 document. On the third page of this document, I have a schedule of classes. Each one of these classes have a heading. Now, to save time, we can use the Format Painter icon. Should I have to do this individually, it will be very time-consuming, as I would need to go to each one of the headings and format them using the attributes on the mini toolbar. It would take time. In order to use the Format Painter, you need to highlight text. You would then format the text the way you would like it to look. I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to make it italic, change the size to a 12, and then I'm going to apply the small caps effect. So I'm going to click on the font dialog box, and I'm going to choose small caps. Click on OK. So this is the way I would like each one of my headings to look. To apply the Format Painter, highlight the new look. Either visit the Home tab under the clipboard group and select the Format Painter, or use the one on the mini toolbar, which is closest to you. Clicking once on the Format Painter icon will give you a mouse icon that is a paintbrush. Click and drag text within the document to apply the same formatting as the first piece of text that you selected. Now, clicking on the Format Painter once will apply the formatting only once. Should you wish to apply to all the headings within this table, you would need to double-click on the Format Painter. Select the text that contains the format you wish to copy over. Double-click on the Format Painter icon. This will allow you to run through your document with your mouse and highlight all the headings to apply the Format Painter attributes, which saves a lot of time when you need to get documents finalized in a hurry. Once you're finished with the paintbrush, you would need to remove it from the mouse pointer. To do so, either use the Escape key on your keyboard or click on the Format Painter icon again to deselect it.